Come and explore your local library this summer and take part in this year's Summer Reading Challenge. This year's challenge, Story Garden, is all about adventures in nature and the great outdoors. If you are aged between 4 and 11, you can come along to the library and join in with this year's challenge. The challenge is to come to the library 3 times over the summer holidays and read as many books as you like. So come along and find adventures and stories. You can also discover nature books, meet magical creatures in picture books, read all about gardening in a factual book, or how about a funny book? You can read any books you like. On your first visit, you will get a starter pack, which explains how the challenge works. As you carry on with the challenge, you'll receive some more stickers and gifts. Why not give it a go and receive a certificate and a medal by the end of the summer? There is also a mini challenge for children under 4. Come and grow your love for books with this year's mini challenge. We can't wait to see you. Keep a lookout too for some special craft sessions your library will be holding. So get ready for a magical summer of reading, exploring and imagination.